Welcome to Women of a Certain Age, where I try to stay young and feel young through potions, makeup, and sleight of hand. And if that's you too, oh, on a budget, that's you too, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a date night look, and I'm going to show it to you here, see if you like how it turned out, and if so, keep watching. All the products I'm using are very budget conscious, and if you like them, they're listed in the description box below, and you can just click on it and get them for yourself. I got this in my Christmas stocking this year. It is Westmore Beauty 60-second eye effects tinted firming gel. I saw a video on it from someone else, and I decided to give it a try. Here it is. I can see something happening. Huh. The way you may see a cat go across the screen. I have cats, so you're gonna see them. Welcome to my channel. I used to love to watch my mom get ready for a date night with my dad, and I would, oh my God, her clothes and the makeup. I love my cats. Really, I do. The clothes, the makeup, the perfume, just, it was like magic watching her become glamorous. And, you know, back in those days, in the, I can remember her having a cocktail and listening to music and just, oh my God, everything was just so glamorous to me. And I definitely think that was the beginnings of my love affair with hair and makeup and just the transformation it can do. And I remember watching my dad shave and all this little, all the things he would have, the Barbasol and the Brill cream and all the different things, how they smell, this cologne. Oh my gosh. Yeah. They were, yeah, I'll put a picture of them somewhere here in this video so you can see how classy and glamorous they were. Oh my gosh. And they could dance. Oh my God. When they danced, I've seen it. People got out of the way. They would clear the dance floor. They were like professional dancers. They were like something out of an old Hollywood movie, my parents. They really were. So I have to say, I have noticed a tightening under my eyes. It did do something. I think it looks great. I'm going to see how it works with a little bit of concealer under my eyes. very important not to put too much highlighter under our eyes. I've seen people spackle it on like, oh my God, like they're painting a house or a fence. It really is aging. I think it's aging to see a white circle around, very light. I think less is more when it comes to this. This is not playing well with my concealer, so I would use it alone. I wouldn't use it with any under eye concealer. Smashbox. From Lee. She has beautiful stuff. It's a small company that cruelty-free, vegan, just beautiful, beautiful eyeshadows and blushes and highlighters. I always like to support a small business that's doing good work, you know. Wet n Wild in the description box. If you notice, I'm building it in the outer corners and building it up for a very lifting effect. It's a deep gray from Wet n Wild. continuing to build on that outer corner, deepen it, make it more dramatic. It is date night. It's time for the eyeliner. I'm using Clio Sharp So Simple waterproof pencil liner for the first time. I'm going underneath my waterline to make things very dramatic without weighing down my eyelid, which I get into detail with in that video I was telling you about called Facelift Makeup. Now I'm going to go over the liner to soften it and make it more dramatic with a yeah, this. It helps it stay too. It helps it stay put through the night. Even deeper. So this is a game changer. This is Lumify. It does, you know, as you can see, my eyes are red. I have very, very sensitive eyes. If I get makeup in them or something, they really get irritated. So I'm going to put a couple drops of this, and you'll see that the before and after. Before, it's a minute later. It's only going to get whiter and brighter. As you can tell, I'm always looking to elongate and lift my eyes, everything really. Time for lips, red apple lipstick for sensitive girls. And now it's time for hair. This is a wig called Limelight by Raquel Welch in Golden Russet, which I have a review, or will have a review on my channel next week. So if you're interested, subscribe and hit that bell to get notified when it's up. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, and it just completes the whole look. Date night. You know, it's so important to take some time with your loved one and reconnect and talk without any distractions and remember why you fell in love with each other and make new positive memories together, even if it's for just an hour out of the house or even in the house, but just concentrating on each other. So I hope you get a chance to feel pretty and dress up and get glamorous and have a wonderful time with your loved one. Remember, shine your light because the world needs it.